I saw a video of someone splitting train rails with simple tools, and then I remembered these have been sitting here in my neighborhood since I've lived here. Let's try this out. I'm Kevin, your professional generalist.
Before my dad and I went down to try this out, I called the local lumber store that is in this property, and they have been there 90 years, but we're moving. I wasn't sure about what the future of these pieces of rail would be. As far as I can tell, the nearest rail that was here in the past was streetcar, and those streetcar lines were removed decades ago. So I called around, talked to the people at the lumber store. Nobody really seemed to know why they were there. And eventually they just said, have at it, go for it. So that's what we did. Bought a couple metal blades at the hardware store, one for the circular saw and a few for the Sawzall, and really found that the Sawzall worked the best. It didn't throw up any hot embers or anything like that, burned some holes in my shoes with the circular saw doing that. So we just kept at it. We kind of opened up the top rail as much as we could with the Sawzall, cooled it down with a little water pump. Where you can see we have the rail raised up so that we could leverage this once we wanted to try to whack it. I did put a 4x4 on top of it when we hit it, because I did try to hit the rail with a sledgehammer, and that was possibly the loudest sound I've ever heard, aside from maybe a rocket launch.
Come on! That's hilarious!
Yeah, no kidding.
Well, there you go, myth confirmed. You can indeed split a train rail just by scoring the top and hit it real hard. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'm Kevin, your professional generalist.